Sabi sa Bible, you cannot serve both God and Mammon. Mammon being symbolic of money. And we know na itong subject na ito has been a topic of many controversies, especially doon sa ating mga comment section. May nag-comment na hindi daw talaga pwede maghalo ang business and God. And if you look at that closely, Mammon is symbolic of money. Totoo na you cannot serve both God and money. Totoo, no? And I believe na for most of us who are in business, we are not actually serving money. We are actually using money in order to serve God's purpose. Diba? So, kaya nagkakaroon ng problema, ng misinterpretation o misunderstanding dyan. Because for some people, talking about money itself is already taboo. Huwag natin pag-usapan yan. Kaya nangyayari tuloy because we don't want to talk about money. Nagiging very poor tayo sa pag-handle ng money. Hindi tayo marunong mag-manage because when we talk about money, hindi dapat yan kasi we should talk about God. But do you know that God also talk about money? There are a lot of verses in the Bible that talks about money. So if you look at those verses, you read those verses, meditate on those. What he is saying is that we should learn how to be good stewards of money. In other words, we should remember we are not serving money. We are serving God and making money serve the purposes of God.